guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, we've got a clean with me today. So we've been poorly for the past couple of weeks, so the house just needs a complete refresh and reset. So probably starting with one of my least favourite jobs, which is sorting out the washing from the previous day and putting it away. I've started sectioning them into smaller baskets just to help with sorting. I find it so much quicker and easier. Now if I unload the tumble dryer, I tend to sort as I go, but because my hubby did it, I'm doing it on the bed, but I still find it so much easier and quicker to put all the stuff away when it's been sorted into these small baskets. So once the basket is clear, the next job is laundry, because obviously this can be done as you're doing everything else. So I just wanted to jump in and explain the products that I'm actually using today, because I'm actually using some different ones, which is very exciting. I'm teaming up with smol on this video. So for the laundry, I'm actually using some of their biological laundry capsules. I love capsules because they're just no mess, no fuss. Smol is great because they focus on being good to the environment, so you can see that their packaging is all biodegradable. They're also vegan and cruelty free, and I feel like every brand should be cruelty free now. I'm also using their fabric conditioner. You can see that it's in this really cute bottle, and you'll also be seeing me using their sprays. So you get a bathroom one, you get a glass one, and you also get a multi-purpose spray. So even though they're an eco brand, they really think about their consumer. So their products are a comparable price to the major brands, and also they work just as well. Now I'm filming this clip after I've done all of my cleaning, because I wanted to double check for you guys that they did actually work just as well, and I have to say they do. And I would say this glass cleaner with the cloth that you guys recommended me, sorry it's probably a little bit dusty now, oh my god, game changer for cleaning mirrors, because you guys know I always struggle with mine. So from some angles they look okay, and then other angles they don't, whereas this has just kind of got rid of all the marks. Absolutely perfect. And to be fair, all the packaging that it comes in is really pretty too. So if you had a utility room, which I wish I had, these would look lovely on the side. So what is really good about Smol is as well, you can sign up to one of their plans and they will deliver you the cleaning products as and when you want them. If you're like me and you have kids, sometimes it can be really hard to get out, especially into those shops that they find boring. So yeah, you can just get them delivered straight to your home on the schedule that suits you. Again, perfect if you car share with your hubby as well and it's a little bit difficult to get into town, or maybe you don't have a car and cleaning products can be heavy. So it is perfect for that, and I do feel like they're really changing the game with how we clean our homes. I have absolutely loved using their cleaning products today, and I had a good thorough test. I've done a big clean today, so yeah, I'm super duper happy with them. They've been really kind as well to give you guys a discount code, so you get a free trial, which just goes to show how much confidence they have in their products. So you get a free trial on there. They do dishwasher tablets, and you get a free trial on their laundry capsules as well. And then with the code you'll also get 15% off your next order. So I made sure to leave all of those details in the description box below, so definitely go and check them out if you're interested in having like a really super easy, convenient kind of cleaning delivery service, and with products that work well and that are even better for the environment. Oh, actually, I just want to mention as well, because if you guys are like me, if you've got pets and you've got toddlers and kids, and you know what it's like, they are all toxin free as well, so you don't have to worry about that, which is just a little bit of peace of mind as well if you are also a mum or a parent. So yeah, let's get back into the cleaning.
I'm so good at pretending, keep on smiling in my tiny bubble, like a movie without ending, spending time like it was going backwards. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind.
So I ended up actually going on a bit of a mirror cleaning spree and going all around the house doing the mirrors at this point.
Meditation through the yoga lessons, going greener by the minute. Soon I can't wear any other colors. Posters covering my walls, but they fall down, diving deeper in the books that we read blind, breathing in and breathing out to get smarter, not working out for me, yeah, yeah. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine.
Now back to the messiest rooms of the house, which is always the living room and the dining room. I have to admit, I never feel like these are ever fully tidy because of all the kids' toys and baby stuff, but I feel like that's just life at the moment. Also, if you're wondering why Dottie is looking so much smaller, she has had her stomach up, so yeah, she always reduces in size because she carries a lot of fur.
Something, don't you worry about me, yeah. Don't you worry about. Got no money on my mind, tell my mommy I'm alright, even laughing at the jokes you tell me. Keep myself inside the lines, neat and tidy all the time. If you ask me, I am fine. Got no money on my mind. On my mind.
next job was to clean this footstool. So I actually got this from a charity shop, absolute bargain at £6.50. I just loved the colour of it. I thought it went with our chair, but the style of it went with our settee, so I was so happy to find it. But I just wanted to give it a good deep clean with some Dr. Bettman and some disinfectant. I also needed to give it a de-bobble, so I just used this really handy tool that I got off Amazon. I must say these are brilliant for, well, not only just like footstools, but cushions, clothes, and I feel like stuff lasts longer because once you get the bobbles off, it does look like new again. So I found this tool in the cleaning cupboard. Now I know loads of people use this for getting pet hair out of their stair carpet, which it is amazing for, but these cushions are almost like a natural fibre, and I find that Dottie's hair really sticks to them and they get really bobbly too. I found that this tool just completely got rid of her fur. I mean, we do wash the cushions, but I feel like sometimes that actually makes the hair stick to the cushion more, but this tool was absolutely 10 out of 10. Do be careful what fabric you are using these tools on though, because I did try it on the footstool and yeah, it made it bubble even more. Okay, so I had to have a little tea break stop. I was getting worn out, and then I just cracked on with the bathroom.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move,
And then my final job was to just hoover all round. I always leave that till last just because I feel like when you're wiping stuff down, dust can get onto the floor, so it's always the final job. But yeah, I was knackered after this. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go and check out Smol. If you did like this video and it gave you some motivation, don't forget to subscribe because I tend to do these monthly, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
bomb.